Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Rocket League on your PC. Now for this to work, you must have the Epic Games application installed on your PC. Now if you don't have the application installed, I have linked a video in the description on how to install it. You can simply watch it and then you can successfully install the application. Now once the application is installed, all you have to do is launch it. So for me it's here. So let me just click on it to launch the application and then sign in into your account when prompted. And then you should get to this homepage. So let's give it a few seconds. Yeah, you should get to this homepage once you sign in into your account. Now from here, all you have to do is find the search bar at the top, click on it and type in Rocket League. And then press enter on your keyboard and search for that particular game. Now from the search results, you should see a couple of options that appear. So there's the base game and all the other add-ons. Now, since you want to install the base game, all you have to do is find the one that is written base game and then click on it and then give it a few seconds. And then from here, you should see all the overview information regarding this particular game. And you can see a bit of screenshots if you'd like, or the video to see what the game is all about. Now, before you can install it, all you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom and find this option, Rocket League System Requirement, or rather section. And then from here, check if your PC meets either the minimum system specs or the recommended system specs. Now, once you have confirmed that, simply scroll back up, and then this button will be Get. If you don't have it in the library, this button will be Get. So simply click on Get, and then follow the instructions that might appear to successfully purchase that particular game. Now, once you purchase that particular game, now you can go to the library and then install it from there. Now, since I already have it in my library, all I have to do is simply click on In Library, and then this will take me to my library, and then you can see the game in your library. Now, since you want to install it, all you have to do is simply click on it, and then you'll be prompted to choose an installation file location or installation folder location. So by default it's set to this, but you can change it if you prefer. So all you have to do is simply click on browse, choose another location you'd like, and then simply select folder. Now once you've selected the folder location or installation location, you can either choose to update the game and create a shortcut for that particular game. If you want to check them out, you can simply check them if you want to, and you can leave them unchecked if you prefer. So me, I'll just leave both of them checked, and then ensure that you have the enough space to download that particular game, or rather to install that particular game. So the download size is 28.89 GB and the required space is 31 GB. Now once you have confirmed everything is okay, all you have to do is simply click on install and then give it a few seconds, and then you should read all these user and end user license agreement. So once you have read it all you have to do is simply check on this option, I have read and agreed with the end user license agreement, and then simply select accept, and then allow any permissions that might appear, select yes, and there you go, the game will begin installing on your PC. Now you can check the progress by simply clicking on the downloads section at the bottom left corner in Epic Games Launcher app, and then you should see the download process of that particular game. So that's basically it on how to install Rocket League on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.